Okay, I think this is vlog number 6. Anyway, yeah. Nothing fun about this day. I don't know why. Anyway, yeah. So today, there's nothing unusual. And then, like, right after rotation, it's like super windy. Okay, before the rotation, not like inside the rotation, like girls are so bossy, you know. Like, they're like, can you get that for me? Can you do, like, kind of like that. But kind of like, not like a judge or something, like, do that. But it's like, in a mean way. Like, us boys are supposed to, like, according to the Bible, us boys are supposed to protect them. But they're bossing us around. We're not servants, we're the protectors. Not servants. No servants. No slaves. Protectors. That's my vlog for today.